Hello everyone. So in this lecture we will see how we can compare two things on the basis of range or quartile range. Especially in this lecture we will see on the basis of range. So we have one case study. In this we have two companies, one company is ABC and second company is DEF, and we have taken CFL of ABC company and DEF company. So 7 CFL from this first company and 6 CFL from this second company, as this is 7 and this is 6, and their life also given in days. So we need to compare which one is best. So first question is, compare our two brands with the help of range and interpret your result. So always the best CFL means which has less variation in data. So on the basis of this range, we will compare variation, right? So for first case we will find variation on the basis of range. Okay, so first we are talking about company ABC. So for the company ABC, first we will find range. So range for first company as per formula highest minus lowest. So highest value in ABC company, highest value is 95 and lowest value in ABC company is 40. So the difference of this is 95 minus 40. So this equals to 55. This is the range. Now to compare this, we need to find coefficient of range. So we will calculate coefficient. So coefficient of range equals to highest minus lowest value upon highest plus lowest value. So highest minus lowest value means the same 95 minus 40 and this divided by 95 plus 40. So this equals to 55 upon 135, right? So you can calculate this value. So this equals to 55 upon 135. So this is 0.40. So this is the coefficient of range for ABC company. Now we will do this same task for DEF company. So for DEF company, the range, again highest minus lowest. So highest value in DEF company is 100 and the lowest value is 21. So 100 minus 21. So 100 minus 21, this equals to 79. This equals to 79, right? And now we need to find coefficient of range. Coefficient of range for this, again highest minus lowest upon highest plus lowest. So this equals to 100 minus 21 upon 100 plus 21. So this equals to 79 upon 121. Again we will calculate this quantity, 79 divided by 121. So you will get this as 0.65 something. So in these two value, this second value is greater. This second value is greater. That's why this is more riskier. This is not the best. So this is with minimum variance. So minimum variation according to range. So this one is best. So you will give its interpretation as the coefficient of range. Coefficient of range for ABC company, ABC Limited, is lesser than DEF company. So due to less variation, ABC companies CFL. ABC's companies CFL is the best because of less variation. Sometimes the question may be which one is more riskier. So always which has maximum variation, this is more riskier. So this is the concept according to coefficient of range. We can compare on the basis of coefficient of range. Now in next lecture, we will see how we can compare on the basis of quartile range. So I hope you understand this concept. So please like this video and subscribe my channel Ganit Coach. Have a nice day.